Part C, Advanced Java, April 2016. 20. Write a servlet program to upload a file on server. Servlet upload file. Use cases to provide the simple HTML page when the client can select a local file to upload on the server. On the submission of request to upload the file, our servlet program upload the file into directory in the server and then provide the URL through which can download the file. For security reason, the user will not provide the direct URL for downloading the file. Rather, they will given a link to download the file. Our servlets will process a request, send the file to the user. This is a dynamic web project in Ellipse, the program project structure defined in that image. Here, the HTML page for Java uploading the file to the server. Simple HTML page, index.html, uploading the file, HTML tag, open, head tag, then close the head tag, body tag, open, form action equal to upload, download, file servlet, method is post, enc type equal to multipart or form data, encrypt type, select file to upload, input type equal to file, name equal to file name, then br tag used, input type equal to submit, value equal to upload, close the form tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Server file location for file upload. We need to store the file in some directory at server. We can use this directory as a program for better flexibility. We will keep the configurable in deployment descriptor and also upload the HTML page to the welcome file list. This is the syntax of a web XML file. Look like this. Question mark XML version equal to 1.0, encoding equal to UTF-8, Unicode transformation format 8. Then we define the web application XML NS namespaces equal to http www.w3.org. Then XML NS namespaces using then XSI schema location defined. Then HTTP define this java.sun.com and the version is 3.0. Display tag, display name tag used. Servlet file upload, download example, then close the display name, open the welcome file list, welcome file index.html, close the welcome file, close the welcome file list, context param name temp file.dir, close the param name. Temp means temporary file, dir means directory. Param name means parameter value, parameter name and parameter value. TMP means temp files, close the param value, close the context param, close the web application. Servlet context listener for file upload the location, import the Java packages, file, servlet context and the servlet context event. Import Java x.servlet servlet context listener, import Java x.servlet annotation.web listener. At web listener, public class file location context listener, implement the servlet context listener, open braces, public void context initialize, servlet context event, servlet context event. String root path equal to system dot get property, system dot get property, catilina.home. Servlet context ctx equal to servlet context event dot get servlet context. String relative path equal to ctx dot get init parameter of temp file dot dir. File equal to new file of root path plus file separator plus relative path. If file exists not equal to file exist, file make directory function, file directory method, system.out.println the file directory created for storing file, ctx.set attributes file dir file ctx.set attributes file dir root path plus file separator plus relative path, close brace, public void context destroyed, servlet context event, servlet context event, open brace, clean up, close brace and close the main class. How will you create the Java bean? How to use the Java bean to write the program? In object-oriented programming, the object represent the person, place, or things that has attributes and function. These objects are implemented in Java as a Java bean. A Java bean act as a container for all related attributes and function associated with the object. The Java bean make it easy to pass all the related data associated with the object the argument when calling the function. This is particularly important when making the remote procedure call a function on the different server over the network. Java Bean has three rules. Import java.io.serializable interfaces. They should implement default constructor, all instant variable access via getter and setter method. Then the functions easy to use. Override the default constructor, set the initial instant variable, override the equal method, make easy to compare the contents of the two objects for equality, override the hashcode function to speed up for sorting and searching objects stored in a location. Using the Java Bean to create the Java JSP page. Packages defined. Import java.util.date public class sample bean open brace a private string param 1 private date param 2 equal to new date public string get param 1 method open brace get return param 1 close brace public void set param 1 string param 1 open brace this dot param 1 equal to param 1. This refers to current object. Param is a parameter. Public date get param 2 method open brace return parameter 2 close brace public void set param 2 of date param 2 open brace this dot param 2 equal to param 2 close brace override the public string to string method open brace return sample bean param 1 plus param 1 param 2 plus param 2 close brace and close the main class. Use bean.jsp percentage at a page language equal to Java, content type equal to text by HTML, char set equal to UTF of 8 percentage, percentage at a page import equal to com dot java code greek dot zipnet enterprise dot sample bean HTML tag, head tag, title tag, close the head tag, body tag, JSP using the use bean ID, the sample bean class equal to com.java code greek.snipnet. Then percentage initialize the bean properties percentage close that percentage JSP set property name equal to sample bean property equal to param 1 value equal to value 1 close the JSP use bean sample bean param 1 JSP get property name equal to sample bean property equal to param 1 param 2 JSP get property name equal to sample bean property equal to param 2 close the body tag output shown like this param 1 value 1 param 2 then date month hour minute seconds displayed. Draw the software architecture of EJB. EJB is Enterprise Java Beans server side and the platform independent Java application programming interface for platform and the Enterprise Edition Java EE. The EJB is used to simplify the development of the large distributed application. EJB are the reusable Java components that implement the business logic enabled to develop the component-based distributed business application. The standard set of services provide EJB container, persistent security, transaction and concurrency. The EJB specification is an inconvenient tool because it is a vast documentation and complex nature. EJB require more development and debugging resources than basic. EJB implementation is complex. EJB specification change result in obsolete code. EJB architecture. EJB object stub client EJB container. EJB object skeleton indirect relationship and enterprise beans enterprise beans servant enterprise bean servant The EJB defined the four type of specification. Stateless session. The non-persistent EJB provide the service without storing and conversation state between the method. The stateful session. The non-persistent EJB maintain across the method and the transaction entity. The persistent EJB represent the object views of the data. The message driven. The EJB are integrated with the JMS Java Message Service. Components of EJB. EJB is a server-side component that executes specific on the business logic. It enables the development and the deployment of component-based, robust, highly scalable, and transactional business application. Client and the web EJB server. EJB client and EJB server. EJB client, EJB container, home interfaces, EJB home stub, remote interfaces, EJB remote stub, Cobra or server, applet client. In EJB server, EJB container, home interfaces, home object, remote interfaces, EJB object, and the bean. The bidirectionally they are interacted home interfaces, EJB home stub, and the home object. The interaction between home interfaces EJB remote stub and remote interfaces EJB objects. EJB server. The EJB server provides the execution environment for server component. It hosts EJB container. EJB container it serves as the interface EJB and outside world. The container hosts the following components: EJB object. The client invoke the bean instance through the EJB objects called interspector. The remote interfaces it duplicate the machine of the bean class. The home object it is the object factory bean where the client can create or destroy object. Home interface provide machine for creating and destroying finding the bean object. Local interface it can be used instead of EJB object for faster access. Enterprise bean the EJB components that encapsulate the business functionalities in the application. Container provide the security to the enterprise bean. Type of enterprise bean: session bean, message driven, and entity bean. EJB client it make the use of EJB bean to perform the operation. Client locate the container using JNDI. Then client invoke the Java beans machine through the container. Deployment descriptor it uses the bean properties and elements. JNDI name for bean, home and remote interfaces, bean implementation class, environment variable, access ruler or rights, bean management, etc. 23. Discuss the working principle of RMI. RMI stand for remote method invocation is a mechanism that allows the objects in one system to access the object running on the another JVM. RMA used for the distributed application provide the remote communication between the Java program. It provides the package java.rmi. Architecture of RMI. Client stub RRL transport layer. RRL server skeleton RRL remote reference layer RRL and transport layer. The virtual connection between both RRL client and server and transport layer is the interaction between network connection. Let us discuss the components of architecture: transport layer, stub skeleton, and RRL. The transport layer connect the clients and server. It manage the existing connections and also set up the new connection. Stub is the representations of the remote object at client. Skeleton is the object which reside the server side. Remote reference layer is a layer which manage the references made the client to the remote object. Working of the RMI application. RMI is a remote method invocation. The following points summarize how the application work. When the client make the call to the remote object, it received by the stub which passes a request to the RRL. When the client side RRL receive the request, it invoke the method invoke object remote reference. It passes the request to the RRL on the server side. The RRL on the server side passes request to the skeleton proxy on the server, which finally invoke the require object on the server. The result is passed all the way back to the client. Marshalling and unmarshalling. Marshalling means the parameters are put together. The parameters are put together and the header is attached to it. In case of the parameter object, there are serialized known as marshalling. Unmarshalling at the server side, the packed parameters are unbundled and the required method are invoked. This process known as unmarshalling. RMI registry is a namespace which all the server objects are placed. Each time the server create the object, it registers the object using RMI registry bind and rebind method. To invoke the remote object, the client need the reference of that object at the time. The client access the registry using the bind name using lookup method. This is the diagram. Client server. Invoke the method using the fetched object, then bind the object in the registry using rebind, then fetches the object from registry using the lookup method. The goals of RMI to minimize the complexity of application, to preserve safety, type distributed garbage collection, minimize the difference between working with local and remote object. 24. Explain about the protocol and the components of the Java mail. The Java mail in the API that is used to compose, write and read the electronic messages. The Java Mail API provide protocol independent and platform independent framework for sending and receiving mail. The Java X.Mail and Java X.Mail activation packages used. What are the protocols defined Java Mail API? Means SMTP, POP, IMAP, MIME, NNTP and others. The SMTP is used for simple mail transfer protocol. It provides the mechanism to deliver the mail. We use Apache James server, Postgres server and the email server and so on. POP is the post office protocol known as POP3. It provides the mechanism to receive the mail. It provides the support for single mailbox for each user. IMAP is the Internet Message Access Protocol. The IMAP is the advanced protocol for receiving messages. It provides support for multiple mailboxes of each user shared by multiple users. MIME is a multiple internet mail extension. Tells a browser what is being sent. Example attachment of the format the mail transfer protocol used by the mail. NNTP and others. There are many protocols that are provided third-party provider. Some of them are network news transfer protocol, secure multi-purpose internet mail extension, etc. Java mail architecture. Java applications and Java mail API application program interface define client layer and Java mail SPI server protocol layer define SMTP, IMAP and the POP. Then Java mail API core classes. Define these packages. Java X.mail session class, message class, MIME message class, address class, internet address class, authenticator class, password authentication class, transport class, store class and the folder class. These are the various packages defined in Java mail. 25. Write a program to demonstrate the usage of JDBC with servlet. JDBC is Java database connectivity. One can connect to the database. One can create the SQL or MySQL using JDBC. The records can be viewed and modified using the JDBC. the following step: import the packages, register the JDBC driver, open a connection, execute a query, clean up the environment. HTML tag open, edit tag, title tag, servlet tag, close the title tag, close the edit tag, body tag open, form action equal to welcome, method equal to get, table border equal to 1, BG color, background color equal to FFF, TR is a table row, TD is a table description, ID, close the TD tag, TD first name, close the tag, TD last name, close the TD tag, TD start date, year, month, date, close the TD tag, TD end date, year, month, date, close the TD tag, TD salary, close the TD tag, TD city, close the TD tag, close the TR tag, open the TR tag, TD input type equal to text, name equal to ID, then close the TD tag, TD input type equal to text, name equal to first name, close TD tag, TD input type equal to text, name equal to last name, close the TD tag, TD tag input type equal to text, name equal to start date, close the TD tag, TD tag input type equal to text, name equal to end tag, close the TD tag, TD tag input type equal to text, name equal to salary, close the TD tag, TD tag input type equal to text, name equal to city, close the TD tag, close the TR tag, close the table tag, input type equal to submit, value equal to submit, close the form tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. We have created the text boxes to enter the data. XML version question mark 1.0, encoding the UTF-8 Unicode transformation formatted, web application tag open, servlet tag open, servlet name, servlet insertion, close the servlet name tag, servlet class, servlet insertion, close the servlet class, close the servlet mapping, servlet name equal to servlet insertion, close the servlet name, URL pattern welcome, close the URL pattern, close the servlet mapping, close the web application, servlet name should be same, the servlet JDBC insert Java. Importing the packages, Java packages, IO exception, input output exception, print writer, SQL connection, driver manager, SQL exception, statement, servlet exception, HTTP servlet, HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response. These packages defined in Java in this program. Public class servlet insertion extend, HTTP servlet open brace, public void do get method, HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response throws, servlet exception, comma, input output exception, IO exception open brace, response dot set content type text by HTML, print writer method, out equal to response dot get writer, connection con equal to null, object created, string id equal to request dot get parameter of id, int id equal to integer dot pass int of id, string first name get request dot get parameter first name, last name get the parameter, start date get the parameter, end date get the parameter, string salary request the get the parameter, string city get the parameters. This all requires a parameter first name, last name, start date, end date, salary and city. Try class dot for name oracle dot jdbc driver dot oracle driver, con means connection equal to driver manager dot get connection, jdbc oracle thin at localhost xe system statement equal to con dot create statement connection. We have to create that statement this line, enter result equal to statement dot execute update, insert into employee values first name, last name, date, start date, end date, salary and the city. Out.println, the result row are successfully inserted in your data. Out.flush, out.close method we have defined in this program. Close the braces, catch class not found exception e open base, e dot print stack trace method, catch SQL exception e open brace, e dot print stack trace method close brace, finally open brace, try open brace, con dot close connection dot close or close brace, catch of SQL exception e structured query language exception e open brace, e dot print stack trace method, close brace, then finally close the main class brace. Thank you.